friends, PomPom is super excited today because we're going on a weather adventure. We'll learn 3 super fun and easy English words together. Do you hear that sound? That's the door to the magical weather world. Let's open it, shall we? Wow, look at this. It's too sunny. Sunny means the sun is out. When it's sunny like this, I just want to dance. Do you like sunny days too? On sunny days, I can go play, kick a ball, eat ice cream. Sunny? How awesome! Let's spell it out loud. S-U-N-N-Y. Sunny. Sunny means sunny weather. You all are doing amazing. Huh? What's going on? Why is the sky getting all dark all of a sudden? It's raining now. Rainy means it's raining. See? The rain makes everything feel cool and fresh. PomPom loves the rain. Can you guess my dance move? Haha, it's the splashy splash dance. Say it with me. R-I-N-Y, rainy. Now it's your turn to shout it out. Ho ho, what's happening? My hat just flew away. Oh, it's windy now. Windy means strong wind. It's like the wind is trying to blow PomPom into space. It's windy, perfect for flying kites. Look, my kite's soaring higher than the rooftops. Let's learn this one too. W-I-N-D-Y. Windy. Windy means it's windy. Hey. Her. One day, 3 different weathers. Sunny for fun, rainy for dancing, windy for kites. I love them all. Mini quiz time. What's sunny weather? Sunny, rainy weather, rainy, windy weather. Yep, windy. You're so smart. H-mem, I'm thinking of something big, bright, and hot in the sky. Can you guess? Yes, it's sunny. Listen closely. Drip, drop, drip, drop. What's that sound? Guess it. Correct. That's the sound of rain, raining. Look at me go. Whoosh, whoosh. Who am I? Hint, I love to mess up your hair. That's right, windy. Sunny for play, rainy for dance, windy for kites. What a magic chance. This is PomPom's magical day painting. It has sun, rain, and wind. What a fun adventure. Let's craft together. Glue the sun here, rain clouds there, and for wind, use a mini fan. Wow, your pictures are amazing. One of you even drew PomPom being blown away. Haha. S-U-N-N-Y means sunshine bright. R-I-N-Y means rain falling light. W-I-N-D-Y means the wind takes flight. 3 cute words. We've learned them, right? Thank you for joining PomPom on this magical weather adventure. Remember, play in sun, dance in rain, fly kites in wind. See you next timey. Sunny, rainy, windy, 3 easy peasy words for a super magical day. PomPom loves you all. Bye-bye.